Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to tell you the Ari Wallet quiz answer on June 29, 2025. So what you have to do is for you to go over to your daily check-in and check in right away, and when you are done with that you can go over to the daily quiz. Let me go over to it. So in today's quiz it says answer the quiz correctly and in arrow scoring. The question is, what is the main difference between cold wallet and hot wallet? A. Internet connectivity. B. Type of coin they can store. C. Transaction processing speed. So the answer here is 1A, which is internet connectivity. Let me go over to it. So what you have to do for you to go over to submit it, to check it. And you say correct, congratulations, you have earned 30 hours going for answering correctly. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.